morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
All right. So last time we already discussed the approaches of the curriculum, there is three approaches, which is the curriculum as a content, curriculum product, again, curriculum as a
Content, process,
the teaching and the learning process. Next is curriculum as a product, which the main goal of the curriculum is to produce a student that is responsible, competent, and have already acquired the knowledge from the content. So, also, we've discussed the criteria in choosing the right content. If it is fit, they will be more motivated to learn. Next is feasibility, from the word itself, feasible. It should be doable, or it should be achievable. Next is interest. The content should fit to the needs and to the interest of our student, because in that way, again, they will be more motivated to learn. Alright, so throughout those content or the discussion that we have last time, now that you know already the lessons, we will going to apply what you have learned through an activity called
the instruction station. So hi everyone, I am Yanushel. So today I will be facilitating the instruction station. So now we have this set of mechanics or instructions. First, each of you will be divided into 4 groups. Then each group will rotate through the 4 stations. So it means every one of you must go through each station. And at each station, you will spend 5 minutes following the instructions provided. So as you can see on the corners in our room inside the classroom, we prepared the set of instructions per station. And fourth is a teacher will be present at each station to observe and evaluate whether you have successfully completed the task. And lastly is to please listen carefully and follow the instructions at each station to ensure success. So are you all ready?
Yes, we are.
Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so everyone please group yourselves into 4. Is everyone ready?
Yes.
Alright, again, so for the station 1, the group 1 will be assigned in that station. Station 2 is the group 2, station 3, group 3, and station 4 is group 4. So again, there will be only 5 minutes for you to accomplish each task given by that station. So is everyone ready?
Yes.
Alright, so
The timer starts now!
now!
This certificate
Content is what we teach.
Congratulations, everyone! Continue to achieve your dreams. Thank you.
Learning every day, step by step, we find our way. Sometimes easy, sometimes long. We each try our skills will know.
1. Next station.
Thank you so much.
Being motivated by the activity. Alright, so now that we have already finished the station, let me ask someone of you, what did you learn about the activity? Miss Corial, what did you learn from the activity?
Okay, what I have learned from the activity is really, it has and it's approaching curriculum, which is the three, which is the content, process, and product. It really helped us to show our creativity and how to explain it, how to elaborate it, and show our insights in different ways, such as doing poems, creating jingles, raps, sketching, and as well as role play. What? Role play, yes. Creating a role play.
Alright, let's give 5 points to Miss Horia. 1, 3, go! Alright, so always remember that curriculum is not all about content, but also it's all about how to teach and acquire the information, and also to have a better student for in the future. Alright, so
Everyone, please stand up. So thank you so much for coming in today's discussion or class. So